So from the quadrilateral angle A plus P in dash Q is equal to 180 degree. This is angle PN. It is not Q dash. P in dash Q angle, which is here P in dash Q plus R1 plus R2 equal to 180 degree. That is equation 2 and it is equation 1 plus, so this is the angle of the prism A plus this P in dash Q is equal to 180 degree minus R1 minus R2 equal to 180 degree. Now angle A dash equal to R1 plus R2. So let's take this one as equation number 3, and from the figure here the exterior angle is equal to the interior opposite angle. This is this one and this one. So that is, this is exterior angle, that is angle of deviation. The exterior angle delta is equal to interior opposite angles sum. That is, from the figure delta is equal to, so let's take this one as alpha and this as beta, that is equal to alpha plus beta. So this is the incident ray. We need this one. This is the angle of refraction on R1. So we get this I minus R1 is equal to alpha. You can write I minus R1 plus beta. So from this figure beta is here, this angle is equal to, so this is the angle, that is the emergent ray or I dash minus R2. You can rewrite this I plus I dash minus R1. So we take the common. So if the angle of incidence is equal to I1 is equal to I dash, I equal to I dash, then we can write this one as 2I minus, so from the equations 1 and 2, we got the equation A, which is equal to R1 and R2. So we can write here from this equation A, R1 plus R2 can be written as the angle A. Okay, this is the angle of deviation. Now that delta is equal to 2I minus A. So the angle of the prism A is taken as A. Now angle of the prism A This is the expression for deviation. So when the deviation is minimum, I1 is equal to I dash. When the deviation is minimum, PQ is parallel to BC and I. This angle is equal to this angle I dash. I is equal to I dash, and at the same time we can observe that R1 is equal to R. So from the equation 3, so from this equation is equal to R and A becomes, that is equation 3 implies A is equal to 2R or A by 2 is equal to R. So this is the angle of refraction, and from this equation, so let's take this one as equation 4. So from 4, delta plus A is equal to 2I, or I is equal to A plus delta by 2. This is the angle of incidence. This is angle of refraction. First medium, so you know the angle of incidence, the refractive index of denser medium, okay. Then R is the angle of refraction. Position, this is the angle of incidence and this is the angle of refraction from this equation. So N1, refractive index of the first medium or air is 1. Refractive index of the first medium is 1, and sin I is, so this is the angle of incidence, that is A plus del by 2, A plus delta by 2, which is equal to refractive index of the second medium is N, and sin R is A by 2. Now N is equal to sin A plus delta by 2 sin A by 2. So if the deviation is minimum, sin theta is approximately equal to theta, hence n is equal to a plus delta by 2 by a by 2 to get cancelled, then a plus delta by a, this is L. So when we cross multiply, a is equal to a plus delta a minus a is equal to deviation, or you can write minus 1 into a is equal to deviation.